What's poppin', savages? What's poppin', guys? Today we're gonna be calling Leatherface, guys. This man is crazy, guys. He was human scares of face, guys. I couldn't do this alone, so I got my boy Turkey. What's poppin', Turkey? What's poppin', guys? What's poppin', guys? I can't believe I'm finally back, guys. Oh, you guys missed me, guys, so freaking much. I know, Turkey, guys. A lot of people miss you, guys. Tonight, guys, we're gonna be calling Leatherface, guys. Me and Ahmed used to take turns feeding Leatherface, guys, but we completely forgot about Leatherface, guys. We're too busy uploading some more banger videos, guys. We didn't know what to do with Leatherface, guys. We just gave him up. We just didn't give a damn for him, guys. So then, guys, Leatherface actually saw through the door, guys, and he escaped, guys. But we were actually teaching Leatherface how to write, guys. So Leatherface actually wrote his phone number for us, guys. Our poor Leatherface pet, guys. Guys, yo, uh, uh. Guys, when Amo was a kid, guys, he wanted a pet dog, guys. But then his parents didn't let him buy a pet dog, guys. So then he went on the dark web. Then he bought a pet Leatherface, guys. On the dark web, you sell baby Leatherface hatchlings, guys, for only 20 bucks. It was the bestest deal ever, guys. It blew up so much. That everybody's computer was crashing, guys, so badly. So many people are buying them, guys. And Ahmed Mo got one, guys. But his Leatherface ran away, guys. And yeah, guys. Yo, Turkey, are you scared of Leatherface? Yeah, because when I was a kid, guys, I watched the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and I was scared. No way, Turkey. Guys, we're gonna be calling him, guys. Let's. Oh my God, guys. So, guys, we're gonna be calling him on FaceTime, guys. Bitch. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we actually got Leatherface's phone number, guys. I'm gonna be typing it right the frick now. What? Can't do it. I can't do this. Yo, the turkey's nigger. Sorry. It's a Leatherface? Oh, there he is. Yo, guys, you can see his hair. Yo, Leatherface, that you? Oh my God, guys. Yo, Leatherface, what you gonna do? Fuck you, we could see. I'm gonna come for you. That's the only word we actually told him to say, guys. He's gonna come for you. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. He just hung up. Turkey, did you see that? Yeah, bro, that was crazy, bro. Actually, I text message him. I will. Yo, guys. Oh my God, guys. Fuck you. Leatherface, why did you escape? Sent. He's read the message. He read the message. He's typing. He's typing. Yo. Two. What does that mean, guys? He says like and subscribe or else I'll come for you. Two. What the fuck, guys? Yo, I think it's gonna come. Yo. I don't know. What? Yeah. He destroyed our roof. Don't. Yo, guys. Bro. Yo. I think Leatherface is here. Turkey, I need your help. Okay, Jay. Yo, guys. You guys, think someone's at my door. Where's my door? Yo. Yo. Leatherface. Yo. Yo, guys, I got changed by myself. Like, hold your hand, two hands. Ah, don't slam it. Ah. Oh yeah. What? You're doing something else, man. I think I got
That's only 5 minutes in. What the fuck?
It's not break! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Yo, guys.
Come on, bro. What the fuck? Guys, Leatherface, I got him. Victory dance. I cannot show it any. I can't put it down, guys, because you'll see it. He's getting up, guys. No. I got it on. I can't unmask you. No. No. Oh, sorry. Motherfucker. Guys, think I got him. Yeah. Guys. It can't be dead. I can't show you on the ground. Yeah. Yo, he's getting up, guys. Why? What the fuck? Guys, I'm gonna shred him, guys. Where the fuck's the noise thing? I can't breathe. You guys, you can see the yellow thing from here. Okay. I'm sorry, Leatherface. Oh my god! Let's subscribe after that. What? Turkey, you need your help! Oh my god. Bro, Turkey, go get it. Oh, don't legit Leatherface. Anyone wants to like and subscribe, or else he'll come for us. Guys, yo. Oh my god, guys, yo, wait. Yo, talk my rifle, bro. Let's go, Turkey. Let's go, Turkey, come on. He took, he's shaking the book. Bitch. Alright, guys. I got the book. wanna be our pet? You wanna be our pet? Yo, okay, kneel, bitch. Woof, woof. Okay, guys, over here. Leatherface just accepted you as our pet. Guys, smash like button right now. We're trying to 50,000 likes. I don't know what I can say now. Is what? Is please